town, Russia. Dmitry Mendeleev, the Russian chemist and inventor, organized the periodic table. How did he do it? Now here's Brianna.
Good afternoon. I'm here live with Dmitry Mendeleev to discuss how he organized the elements on the periodic table. So Dmitry, how did you do it?
Well, you see, I recently heard about these two other scientists' discoveries, and I decided to go off of their ideas.
That's great. That's a very good idea. I heard you also added the alkaline earth, and transition metals. I think you also added halogens and noble gases.
Yes, the alkaline metals are the elements in the first column. In the alkaline earth metals are the ones in the second column. And now the transition metals are actually the elements that are in 3 through 12. And yes, you heard right, the halogens are actually very reactive and they're in group 17. And the noble gases are not very active and they're very stable actually, and they're in the last column.
That's very interesting. Now for a personal question. How many times a year do you shave your beard?
Well, you see, I used to shave it just once a year, just a little trim on the sides, but with my 6 kids, they don't really like it. I'm so sorry. So I decided to just shave it all off instead. As you can see right here, it's just clean.
That's great. Now to Maryann for more news.
Brianna here. I'm here today in this historical day to explain this chart you see here. Periodic trends include the way the atomic mass and atomic numbers, which are right here. And they increase from left to right. Now to Zyrick for more fun.
Now with the fun facts of the day with the host Zyrick Bermudez. Atomic ionic radii, electronegativity, and ionization energy. Who knows what that is? Well, atomic radii is a measure of size of its atoms. Ionic radii is the radius of an atom's ion. Now for electronegativity. That is a measure of the tendency of an atom to attract bonding pair of electrons. Finally, my favorite, ionization energy. That is the quantity of energy that an isolated gaseous atom in the ground electronic state must absorb to exchange an electron, resulting in indication. Thank you for joining me for the fun fact of the day.
And that's all for today. Thank you for joining us today on